What is up, guys? You ready to increase conversions by 30% just by putting a simple piece of code on your website? I know it's crazy, but the way it works is simply by adding social proof to your website. So there was this crazy, not crazy, but I mean, I think it's pretty crazy. There was this test once where they had a group of people in a crowd compared to just one person. And it's easier to convince a group of people to do something rather than just one person. Another example of that, if you step in an elevator, if you're the first one that steps in the elevator, you walk in the elevator, you step to the right, everybody else that walks in the elevator will face your direction. What I'm trying to say is social proof is super, super important. Okay. And the way we do this, the way we can monetize, the way we can really increase our conversions is by including social proof onto your own site. So think about it. Another thing is TripAdvisor, or even when you're booking a flight, they show other people that are booking the flight. They show other people that are are going on the trip just to show social proof so that it further inclines you to want to go to it because other people are doing it. So that being said, let's get straight into this video and let me show you exactly how to install Provely onto your website so you can drastically increase your conversions right here. So we're on the site right here. All I do is press create new, hop on over here, press settings, and let's get this party started. Vivix is my client's name, Vivix Credit Solutions. Press save or next. Domain, you got the domain here, pop it right in. You just type it in, which is pretty cool. You don't have to really do any DNS management there. So save, next, domain. I think I just saved that. Save, next. All right, cool. Data source. All I gotta do is take this code, copy this code. Hop on your ClickFunnels over here. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna hop right over here. You press settings, go to the bottom of the body tracking code. And what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna take this little code, you're gonna copy this little code right over hither, and you're gonna put it just on the bottom. I got a couple other things here. So this is like my Facebook pixel, Facebook and Facebook pixel, Google Tag Manager here, another Google Tag Manager. This is my Google Tag Manager. So it had a couple of previous other clients working on this. Marketing managers. Put right here, Provely. I use this on the bottom. Enter here, anything in here, in these codes, you're allowed to kind of edit. So Provely conversion app data code. Delayed, so they know it's me, just like I did the other one. I did over here. I wrote do not modify or something like that, somewhere over here. Here I wrote on this side. But quick tip is that anything you put inside this arrow and this thingy, you can pretty much write whatever you want. I thought I wrote on this one too. Yeah, there you go. Blade, don't touch. Anything down here is my stuff. All right, Provely code inserted. Sweet. Cool. Copy this code, all in there. Enable counters pretty much counts how many people are currently viewing the offer. Don't need to check that. Next. This I do change. So how it says Gabriel from here, I want to change this color. I want to make it a light blue. So what I'm going to look up is a light blue HTML color code. Bam. Sweet. And I'm getting a call right now. Let me just make sure I pause this really quick. Sorry about that. Just a quick call. So like I said, light blue, we want to use that. Take that, copy. Roger, copy. Paste it right there. Paste. Siri right here. I didn't say anything to you, Siri. All right, cool. So now what this is going to do, you press enter. Oh man, maybe not press enter. You press enter, just goes all the way back. But no worries. Hop over here. Has color. That's a little light. I don't like that. So what I'm gonna do, let me show them what I'm about to do. Make this a little lighter. I like that. I love that. Cool. So it's nice light blue. It's very good converting colors. I even show you right here the best converting colors. Converting colors is like a blue or maybe a light blue. I think Neil Patel explains it pretty good in the little graph over here. And yeah, 57% of men said that blue was their favorite color. 35% of women said that blue was their favorite color. So overall, blue is just a good color. All right. I don't know what to say. Oh, what's this? Blue, buy. Create sensibility, trust. Green. So I like using blue and green the most. So let's continue with this. I'm gonna leave this black, message color, but I'll make it a little darker. Pause out just a little bit more. I like that at the time is good right there. Show only country, show city name only. Do that, so city center available. So location, we can do show city only, timestamps display. We show that, yep. Names display, show real names. Show someone. Avatar displayed, which is pretty much this little thing right there. Show avatar, what we're gonna do, show generic avatar. Oh, oops, yeah. Avatar display, show city. I don't want to show the city. I'm gonna turn that one off. And avatar display, show generic avatar. We're gonna show the map. Up to you. I'm gonna do the avatar. Save that. Oops. Widget design. So everything's saved there. Next. A lot of times it's notifications when it pops up and it's supposed to make a little sound. It doesn't always work for me. I like the confirmation one. But the money bag one's cool, but it doesn't really make a sound of a money bag, I guess. But I'm gonna use the confirmation there. Display settings. Start displaying widgets with a delay. So I'm gonna delay it's like maybe 3 seconds. Display frequency, 10 seconds. Every 10 seconds it changes. Registry right there. If I want it, limit number of contacts display. 50 is good enough. Display widgets on mobile devices. What? Yes. Yes, sir. Now this is for the display widget code, whereas this one, the data source, this one gathers data. All right, so this is the one that gathers the data, whereas this one actually displays it. So it's just 2 lines of code. You gotta put right into here. So right here, like I said, this is the Provely Conversions app data code. Enter, and bam, Provely Conversions app display code. Data and display. Cool. That's all we need. We're gonna save that. Save. And we got everything on here. So now it won't display just yet because we have no contacts in here. So what we're gonna do is hop over to the contact section instead of just waiting for a display. Hop over the contact section and we're gonna input a series of contacts in here. And how we do that is just gonna make sure we save this, obviously. Save and update settings. Let that load right up. I save everything twice. I'm like OCD or something like that. I don't know. Just to make sure. Contacts. Now what we're going to do is download contacts. We'll take this, we're going to open it up. Open it up with a CSV tool file. Open up. Open up this one. Cool. Wait for that to load on up. Could not read data. Oops, maybe I opened the wrong one. Let me try taking this. Oh, why is it open with Premiere? It makes no sense. Premiere. What's it called anyway? You try deleting it and redoing it. Try doing that. Oh, empty trash. Download again. I'm trying opening it up. Open. The first one. Which one is it? It's right here. Or is it this one? Try this one. Load up. Why is it not letting me read the data? Check out all my recently downloaded things. Delete this. Let me try this again because it worked last time. So, all right, let's just try it again. Delete this. Oops. Delete empty trash. Empty trash. Get out of your trash. Try downloading it again. Download contacts. Put you right up there. Put me right up there. Over here. Table tool. File. Whoops. File. Open this one. Where art thou? Downloads. This one should be it. Yeah, cool. It worked out this time. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go through it and make sure I don't have any tests because I have a lot of them that I just press test on it. That being said, I'm gonna scroll through it. It's like this guy. I think that was already test. Take this. I'm gonna delete row. Another one over here. Test. Delete row. I don't want that test one popping up. You know. What else do we have here? So we have a lot of guys here, but it's good enough just to show some provely things going through. I'm also going to do, I'm going to take this, oops, delete column, delete column, delete column, take this, delete column. I keep that stuff on, the address, I'll keep that stuff on. So I'm going to save this file, save as. Oops, save, maybe rename. Rename, just going to keep track of it. I'm going to call this Vivix. Cool, save that, awesome. Pop back over Heather. I'm gonna import this list right here. CSV file here. Sorry, Casey. Where art thou? Oh, I am right there. Sweet. Got all these people here. And now we should start seeing these swing in. Swing come in. 28 people, that should be good enough. Should be live. All right, cool. So recording, yeah. I just hopped back on to the actual site and I saw it pop up on the left-hand side there. It should pop up every 5 seconds. I think I set up to. There. I don't like how it says lorem ipsum. Oh, as I missed a part. My bad. I'm sorry. I apologize, guys. But I don't like how it says lorem ipsum, and I don't like the little profile picture. So what I'm going to do, come back over here. I'm going to change this widget design. First, I'm going to add a little animation, so it flashes in, people see it. I'm going to show location format. Let's see if I can turn that on. Yeah, do that one. Let's try the location. Show real names. Show generic avatar. Show a map thumbnail. Let's try that. See how that looks. Save that. And what I'm also going to do is I'm going to make sure I just notification text. So I got to do this. Is the problem. Signed up for a credit consultation. Oh, consultation. It's just the notification text that pops up on here. Make sure you save this. Over here. Refresh it. Over here. Back over ClickFunnels. Close all these things. Let's bring this out. Bring them out. Bring them out. So scroll through here like a regular person. Should pop up. Well, a lot of people popping up. Signed up for a credit consultation. Still don't like how it has the little avatar here. So we're going to change that up. Signed up for a credit consultation. Let's see how it looks, by the way, first as on a phone. See how it looks so good over there. Sign up for credit consultation. I don't like the flashing there either. I don't like the flashing. I don't like this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hop back on approval, back on the settings. We're gonna change that little popping. I don't like that flash thing, how it looks. So I'm gonna change that. It's where's the website design? Flash right here. Flash 400. Dead. I like the rubber band. Let's try that. Or what else? I have post. Post rubber band. Maybe shake. Let's see what that is. Shake. Swing. Ta-da. Like ta-da. That was too much. Jello. Ta-da. Like ta-da. I'm gonna keep it ta-da. Ta-da. All right, cool. I like show map thumbnail, show generic avatar. Try generic avatar. Show city, location form, show city only, show country name. Try that. And we're also gonna change the time. I don't like the time on it. Delay 3 seconds. I'm not gonna do that. We're gonna do like 1 second. Every 10 seconds, show another one. That sounds good. Minute 50. Cool. Save that. All right, hop back over here. I'm gonna turn it on, turn it back on, turn off, and turn it back on. Hop back over here, close this one out. So we can kind of just like refresh this pretty much and pop out another tab. And we just see in 3, 2, 1. There we go. I like that. I like how it popped up there. Yeah, it's me too. Sweet. I like that. I like that a lot. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sweet. So you're seeing it there. I just don't like that profile picture right there. There has to be a way to change that. What it is. Display settings, widget design. I don't like that though. See that one? It's like thumbnail color. Let's do red, purple. I like the blue one. I think that one looks a lot better than the box one. Show display name, show location, phone line, country name. Show country name. Something pops up. I'm gonna turn that one off. Avatar display show map thumbnail. Try some map thumbnail. See what that looks like. Let's save that now. Hop back over here. On and off and on. Close this one out. Boom. And let's check it out once again. Cool. That's fine. I mean, I can't, for some reason, not let me change out that little profile design, but that's no worries. Signed up for a credit consultation. Awesome. That should drastically increase your conversion. So if you find that you are getting a lot of links to your landing page, but nobody's really clicking, or nobody's just kind of signing up, try to add a little approvally thing. Or obviously, if nobody's signing up, obviously the offer is not right in the landing page. So what you usually see is if on the ad, you're getting a lot of clicks on the ad, people are going over the landing page, make sure that the ad lines up with the landing page as the same offer, and make sure that the offer is good. Because realistically, you can't really, if your offer is not good, nothing, targeting, approval won't really do anything. So first thing you gotta do is make sure your offer is good. This is just something to increase your conversions. Like realistically, so if your offer counts as, if everything counts as points, say your offer is if your offer is a 10, this increases it by 30%. You're gonna get an extra 3 people. So you're gonna get an extra 3 people. But if your offer is shitty, it's got a 0 offer points. The 0 times 30% is still 0. You know what I mean? So this only really increases by 30% is what I'm trying to say. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. I hope you learn at least something. And I hope you guys utilize this in your own business, in your own website to increase your conversions. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions whatsoever, click the link down below. Schedule a call with me or just join my group. And either me or one of my buddies will definitely help you out. Thank you and have a fantastic day.